Now, the issue of stray animals is also worrying for road users excited to use the new highway from Maypen to Williamsfield. Some stakeholders are already warning people to be careful as there have been sightings of animals crossing the highway. We have the details from Dwayne Anderson.
The joy from the opening of the Maypen to Williamsfield leg of Highway 2000 quickly turned into sobering warnings for motorists.
It is imperative that we acknowledge the responsibility that comes with these kinds of advancements to ensure that each journey on this and every highway and byway is a safe one. The statistics remind us of the gravity of the issue. Every year, an unacceptable number of lives are impacted by crashes on our roads, main roads, parochial roads, and highways.
So far this year, over 280 Jamaicans have died in road crashes. It is partly why residents and workers were also quick to join the chorus of people issuing safety warnings to motorists. They say animals continue to occasionally run loose on the highway.
I would have to say this, and I'm not going to hold back in saying the motorists have to pay attention to animals because we still have some animals that are finding themselves on the highway. So I'm just asking them to proceed with extreme caution and just drive carefully.
Don't let the highway deter you into that which, you say is a highway and you're going to drive fast to kill off somebody and yourself. So, drive slowly, drive within the speed limit, and, you can get to your destination in time.
The highway still have some necessary works to be done. Be very careful on the road from animals where that is concerned, especially within the Clarendon stretch right to Milk River here, because you have a lot of cows and goats still sweeping through, so please be careful.
The message is clear, whether it's from politicians, business people, or just ordinary everyday Jamaicans. When you're using this highway, do so safely. Miss Annette Pierce says she's one of the residents who had to be relocated due to the construction of the highway. She was living in porous Manchester, but now lives in Trelawney. She has no regrets about uprooting for the road project.
I feel very proud because it's another development for the country, wherein we can reach our destination. Example, going into Kingston, we reach there quicker and much faster.
Would you say the sacrifice of relocating is worth it based on the highway you're looking at now?
Yes, it's worth it. It's worth it. The government has done a lot. The government has done a lot, and we are grateful for it.
The Transport Minister Darrell Vaz in the meantime indicated JUTC services may be coming back to Clarendon soon and even extending into Manchester.
We need to provide transportation, public transportation. So I am pleased to announce this morning, Prime Minister, that we are looking at JUTC in relation to expanding their routes to Williamsfield.
Reporting from Clarendon, I'm Dwayne Anderson for TVJ News.